Out of how not to do it. Here we are at Kohanga Periperi, part of the Parangarahu lakes or Pencarrow lakes. We've just installed these new bike access ways because lots more people are getting down this far from Eastbourne, and they used to have to lift their big bikes over the gate next to it. They have several functions. Firstly, they stop the stock coming into our park and causing damage. They also allow wheelchairs and buggies through this side, and they allow bicycles through the squeeze barrier on this side. Okay, some people get a little bit confused on how to use these things easily. It is actually very easy once you know how. We're going to show you, and we're also going to show you some of the amusing ways people try. Okay, so get off your bike on the size of the buggy hoop. Your bike goes through the squeeze barrier and you do a little shimmy through the walking path.